Good day, guide and bolt fans. We're on here again. Another quick snowblower tutorial. What we're looking at here is while snow blowing, I noticed my left tire here stopped spinning. It stopped spinning because there's what's called a ring bolt. It's a locking ring that goes through this hole right here, through the shaft, out, and then it'll spin around and lock. That snapped. So when these are breakable parts. They're designed so if your tire gets stuck, it won't break the axle, it'll break this off. So if you notice this, stop what you're doing immediately. Makes it super easy to fix. If you stop what you're doing immediately, it'll be a little bit of a monkey around to get this out. I had to use a linesman pliers and a hammer to pull it out. But all you'll do is there's a hole through your axle right here, and you'll have to line it up with the hole here. Once you have it lined up, it's a matter of just wiggling it till it goes all the way through, and then that'll lock in place. Now I'm going to take this out because I don't want this. I'm going to change this up. There is another piece of equipment right here. It's another type of pin you can use that will clip. This will clip on and it'll do the same thing. We're going to use this because I've already switched out the ring pin on this one once and I don't want to do it again. Just got to pop that through, and then this should just lock on, and then that's all you need. Let us know if you have any questions in the comment section. Thank you.